This is a really pretty and simple pot to create. You've got a few little edibles in there with the chives and the fennel, and then you've got this structure of white. You've got the lovely umbels of the orlaya, you've got these little bonnets of aquilegia here, and the wonderful ragged robin, which just gives this little sort of starburst of white throughout. And then all of that is kind of given an extra bit of a fluff, I suppose, by this breezer here, this lovely grass, which gives a bit of movement as well to the whole of the container. It's a really, really simple container to make.